Welcome once again. Let's talk about Teruna Classic LUNC. Now, in 166 hours, Teruna Classic have burned 1,614,112,215 coins of Teruna Classic coin, bringing the total to 58.36 billion total burn. Yeah, I'm happy that if we take a look at this statistics, we have been increasing every day. Last time was about 800 million coins in 7 days. Then it went up to 1.2 billion and it also went up to 1.4 billion. Today it actually went up to 1.6 billion coins in 7 days, 162 hours. Now I'm happy because this shows that we are about 200 plus. Okay, that is almost 230 million coins being born in a single day. I'm happy to see Teruna Classic hit over 230 to 240 million coins of Teruna Classic LUNC. So I believe gradually we will enter 500 million burns per day. And that is going to be amazing because with these statistics, we actually be burning about 15 billion coins in a month. And LUNC, even in the past few months, have been unable, okay? They've been unable to burn over 10 billion coins. But I think for me, I think burning over 15 to 20 billion coins in a month in the period of 30 days is amazing. So I'm happy because as of last few weeks, we are just recording 25 million, 50 million burned in a day. And I mean, we are talking about almost 250 million right now. Is that not amazing? This is definitely amazing. This is definitely good. This is definitely wonderful for Teruna Classic LUNC, burning over almost 250 million coins on a daily basis. I like this because this coin, as of last week, a lot of people actually write off this coin. Even me myself, I was like, if this coin continue to drop, that is, I was given warning on Teruna Classic and that warning still remains. Okay, for now, don't rush to buy more coins. For now, don't rush to invest more. For now, just take feet and watch what Teruna Classic for the end of this month. Let's see if this coin will start bouncing back. And do not buy what you cannot afford to do. Do not invest heavy amount of money. Do not invest heavy capital on Teruna Classic for now. Please, for now. Please do not invest more on Teruna Classic. Just wait and see before the end of this month. Let's see where Teruna Classic coin will actually take us to. Please kindly share this video, like our videos, send down your comment, ask any questions. We are always ready to answer them. And once again, thank you. This video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.